Hey all, Will Healy here. It's Dad Joke Friday, so I've got one for you. You ready? What do you call a robot that loves to swim? Rusty. My kids didn't know what rust was, so they didn't get it. But I think it's funny. I recently read an article in Reuters titled, "The Robot Apocalypse is Hard to Find in America's Small and Mid-Sized Factories." And the data found by the researchers at MIT was surprising to them, but not really surprising to me. I can't cover it all here. I really recommend you check out the article. I'll leave it down in the comments. But they found in 34 companies with less than 500 employees in Ohio, Massachusetts, and Arizona, over 5 years, they found one company in Ohio had bought robots in large numbers, and it had recently been acquired by a Japanese firm. They found one in Ohio had purchased a single robot. They found one in Massachusetts had bought two robots, and they found three in Arizona that had bought a handful. So 28 plants had purchased zero robots. They did find, though, non-robotic technology investments. Most investment was pre-1990s, so that's 30 years ago, guys. One company added a computer with Excel so that people could do electronic instead of paper record keeping. But many people had updated controllers on older machines, which is a very common practice. The mechanics are still good, right? We just want newer technology. Computer-guided cutting machines, inspection systems, conveyor belts, and labeling machines. So what they found was the reason people weren't investing was ROIs longer than 3 to 6 months were challenging inside small to mid-sized manufacturers, and other investments are made in assets like cutting machines or new equipment. So they are making investments, just not in robots specifically. So this aligns with what I see successful small to mid-sized manufacturers doing, and the advice I give to those that ask me about how to get started. The questions: ask yourself, what can I automate to eliminate quality issues like inspection or sensing tools? What can I do to reduce downtime and equipment failures, upgraded controls and condition monitoring? What can I automate that will enable my existing workers? Automate processes with standing machines, or we can add robots to low-skill tasks like machine tending or loading or unloading. So how do you see small to mid-sized companies handling robots in their factory? Would really love to hear your comments below and your thoughts in the comments below. Have a great weekend.